If Telegram is showing error 401, don't worry. This usually means there's a problem with your local session data, and in many cases, you can fix it quickly without reinstalling everything. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to clear the corrupted local files and sign back into Telegram desktop the right way. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes and software tips. Let's get into it. First, completely close Telegram desktop. Make sure the app is not running in the background because we want to remove the local data while Telegram is fully shut down. If you need to, check the system tray and exit Telegram from there as well. Once Telegram is closed, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the Run window, type %appdata% and press Enter. This will open the AppData roaming folder on your computer, where Telegram stores its local desktop data. Now look for the folder named Telegram Desktop. This folder can sometimes become corrupted, and that's what may be triggering the 401 error. Right-click the Telegram Desktop folder and delete it. If Windows asks for confirmation, go ahead and confirm the deletion. This step clears the local session data, cached files, and other stored information that may be causing the login issue. Don't worry, this does not delete your Telegram account or your cloud chats, because Telegram keeps that information online and synced to your account. It only removes the broken local desktop data on this device. After deleting the folder, reopen the Telegram desktop app. When it starts again, it will behave like a fresh installation on this computer. Now sign back in using your phone number or, if available, use the QR code login method. Follow the prompts on screen and complete the login process. Telegram should now rebuild its local files and reconnect normally. In most cases, this resolves error 401 right away. If the issue was caused by corrupted app data or a damaged login session, clearing the Telegram desktop folder and signing in again is the fastest fix. If you still see the error after this, double-check that Telegram was fully closed before deleting the folder, then repeat the steps carefully. And if this video helped you out, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.